Jen, do you remember much about this?
I mean, it's big,
How old were you when we
but
left?
as a kid, it felt like an acre.
A little bit of the backyard. This house is my bedroom.
It still is a pretty big yard.
Yeah, no, it is a big yard. It was always the biggest yard.
Be careful going down this. But the azaleas are still the same. That's the same rock. Is that the same?
Yeah, isn't that funny?
And that was the kind of garage that would like that. Yes.
They were not into us.
They were not into.
They weren't into our program. Let's walk down to the hills really quick. James, come pick us up at the hills. And Todd, do you remember we walked through this yard and there was that old guy that looked like Orville Redenbacher?
Uh-huh.
He'd always yell at you whenever you go through his lawn.
Oh, yeah. This was not a yard you mess with.
No, you had to walk around this. You couldn't cut through this yard.
Nope.
But like
But
even...
what was fun about these curbs is we'd take our bikes,
Oh yeah.
we hit them
Some
hard.
Sweet jumps.
We hit
Some
the
of
curbs
sweetest
hard.
jumps. Here's the Boland's house right here.
Mm-hmm.
Freaking Boland's.
You know, when people live in Seattle, they don't move.
No.
There's not a lot of moving.
I can't believe it was the same people.
Same people.
That was really cool of them to let us do that.
It was pretty cool.
This is a nice neighborhood, man. I always kind of thought it was not as nice as it was. But
I thought it was kind of, yeah, I thought it was more of a starter home. It's more of a finishing.
Yeah.
I could retire in one of these homes.
Yeah. We could.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to pan around over here to the Boland's house.
That's the Boland's house right there.
Annalisa and I used to play right in these trees right here.
Darn
We'd
right.
set up. In fact, let's go explore those trees real quick. We'd set up our kitchen. We'd play house in these trees. This backyard used to have a bunch of fake owls, but we'd play inside here because it was always protected from the rain. We just set up a kitchen right here.
Actually, is it held on the other side of those trees? No, this is a hill.
Wasn't there an owl right here?
Where did the Reverend live? He lived in the cul-de-sac.
Wait. Where did Kirk Montezuma live?
Brian, Hales, this one or this one?
Yeah, there was a lot of Mormons concentrated right here. Right here. Kurtzazuma.
So this was our school bus stop right here. So we
Remember
had to,
James? That was Kurtzazuma's house.
yeah, right here.
And then the Reverend, was it Jason White? No, not, he was Mormon.
Jason Hammond.
Jason Hammond.